Hello my dear friends, today I want to teach you this fantastic tutorial. Come along with me to learn it.
Everything you want but you can't have.
First of all, with PicsArt app, I remove the background of Selena Gomez's image. Then I adjust the color of the image with Adjust tool.
Could call me selfish and critical, I could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn ya, this might hurt, but that's just karma. Better take that.
You can do this adjust again and again until you get the natural result.
Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just karma. Go and play the part, play the victim. Throw a pity party with your demons. Blaming everybody and you're screaming. But I'm the one bleeding. You're the one that's selfish and critical, you could take the blame. Just like I could take a match and send it up in flames. Don't say I didn't warn ya, this might hurt.
For the reflection of her shadow in the surface of the water, add the image of her again.
Call it payback. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just karma. That's just karma. Hold your heart and let it die. Better say your last goodbyes. Oh, come back, come back. I don't need ya, I don't want that. Oh, don't say I didn't warn ya. That's just karma. That's just karma. Don't say I didn't warn ya. Stay mad, I know you wanna. This might hurt, but that's just coming up to me, fire lighting up the sky. Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Time or place, watch them run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my throne. I got no rival, watch them run away. I got no, I got no rival.
I go to the adjust tool again, it is optional. I do it for getting the better result.